Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Emma Vogt about field plots.
Now Emma has a recipe to share. Today she is sharing a crockpot recipe that is easy and something that everyone in the family can appreciate.
It is getting to be that time of the year when crockpot meals are something that we think about. And joining me now with more on this is Emma Vogt, Common Ground. Emma, you have a recipe to share.
Yes, I do. I have a crock pot chicken and potato recipe. It all goes in together. Real is easy to throw together in the morning before work or any activities. So to get started, you're going to take 5 or 6 potatoes, get them washed up, and then you're just going to cut them into 1-inch cubes. Try to keep them uniform so they cook easier together. And then once you have them all cut up, you're going to get them into a bowl and place them in the bowl, and then take your chicken breasts. Once you have them in there, you take 3 tablespoons. I've got olive oil, any kind of oil, and place that over them, and then just stir that all up so everything's coated real well. Once you've got everything coated, you take a teaspoon of garlic powder, pour that in, a tablespoon of Italian herbs and cheese, and then salt and pepper to whatever your preference is. My littlest one is not about spice, so we don't put a lot of pepper on beforehand. You can sure add that at the table or whatever your preference is. And then you just make sure to stir it all up and get a good coating. And so once you've got everything stirred up and kind of coated all over, I'm going to take and spray my crock pot, just my insert, with a little bit of cooking spray to help with the cleanup. Pour that on in, and however you want to have it layered, whether the chicken's on top or the potatoes. And then you just stick that into your crock pot. If you're at home and thinking about it and want a good lunch, you could set it on 4 hours on high. Otherwise, I put mine on 8 hours on low. So once I'm back from work and we walk in from whatever activities or doing stuff out on the farm, we've got a nice meal that's ready to go.
So that's kind of how it looks when it's all done.
Yes.
How does your family like it?
They love it. It's an easy one, not too much seasoning. You put a little ketchup on it and it's good to go. Sometimes we're sneaking a few carrots. It just depends on how adventurous we're doing.
Okay, thank you, Emma, for being here today.